Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your favorite place for all things natural skincare. Do you struggle with strawberry legs that make your skin look uneven? Or maybe you're looking for a way to brighten and soften your skin naturally. I know how frustrating it can be, but don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Today, we're making an easy DIY scrub that brightens, removes strawberry legs, and leaves your skin silky smooth. Using simple ingredients, this scrub will leave your skin glowing in no time. So grab your favorite mug of tea and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my weekly skincare tips. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this magical scrub. In a clean bowl, mix around 1.5 cups of sugar to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and smooth out rough patches. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to soothe irritation. It also absorbs excess oil and reduces redness, making your skin look refreshed. 1 teaspoon of Nila powder. Known for its brightening properties, Nila helps reduce dark spots and even out skin tone. If you're curious to learn more about Nila powder and its amazing benefits, be sure to check out my video all about it. Some shower gel for a creamy texture that makes it easy to apply and massage into your skin, and finally some coconut oil to deeply moisturize, help lock in moisture after exfoliation, giving your skin a natural healthy glow. Stir until everything is well combined and your scrub is now ready to use. Start by wetting your skin in the shower or bath. Take a small amount of the scrub and massage it onto your legs or any area you want to treat in gentle circular motions. Focus on areas with dark spots or rough skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. With consistent use, you'll notice brighter, smoother, and softer skin. And don't forget to watch my hibiscus body scrub video. It's another amazing remedy for strawberry legs that you will love. Here are some quick tips to maximize your results. Always exfoliate gently. Don't press too hard to avoid irritation. For sensitive skin, reduce the sugar granules by blending them into a finer texture. And finally, consistency is key. Remember, skincare is a journey, not an overnight fix. Stick with it, and you'll see amazing results. And there you have it, Bellaras, a simple, affordable DIY scrub that will leave your skin glowing, soft, and free from strawberry legs. Have you tried the DIY scrub before? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share your favorite DIY tips or topics that you'd like me to cover next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!